My name is Hugo. Today, I want to tell a story that's really close to my heart. It's about a bunny and a turtle. Grab your ears, listen closely, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. In a big wide forest filled with all sorts of animals, there were two special friends. A super fast bunny, hello, hello, and a super slow turtle, hello, hello. Every day, the bunny would zoom past everyone, shouting, I'm the fastest in the forest. The turtle, on the other hand, would always take tiny, slow steps wherever he went. One sunny day, the turtle had an idea. He said to the bunny, hey, how about we race? The bunny laughed and said, race? You? That's funny! Ha 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 ha! But the turtle just smiled and said, let's try. All the animals in the forest gathered around. They were excited to see what would happen. The race started. 3, 2, 1, go! As expected, the bunny raced ahead super fast, leaving the turtle behind. In no time, the bunny was so far ahead that he couldn't even see the turtle anymore. The bunny thought, I'm so quick and he's so slow. I have loads of time. I can take a quick nap under the shady tree. And so he took a nap. Meanwhile, the turtle kept moving. He didn't get tired. He didn't stop for a break. He just went on and on, slowly and steadily. The animals watched him and cheered. Go, turtle, you can do it! While the bunny was deep in his dreams, thinking he was the winner, the turtle, with his tiny steps, walked right past the sleeping bunny. He moved closer and closer to the finish line. By the time the bunny woke up and rubbed his eyes, he was shocked. He looked around, and way ahead, he could see the turtle almost at the finish line. The bunny tried to run as fast as he could. But it was too late. The turtle had already won the race. Hooray! I'm at the finish line. I'm the winner. Yay! Said the turtle. I'm so sad. Now, why am I telling you this story? Well, once I had a big puzzle to solve. It had 100 pieces. My friend solved a smaller puzzle really quickly. I felt bad because I was taking so long. But then I remembered the turtle. I didn't give up. I kept trying, piece by piece, day by day. And you know what? One day, I finished the whole puzzle. This story is like a magic lesson. It tells us two important things. First, it's okay if you are not the quickest. What's really important is to not stop and to keep trying. If you keep going, no matter how slow, you can finish everything, like how the turtle finished the race. Remember to be like the turtle. Even when things are tough or you think you are too slow, don't give up. Keep moving, step by step. Because, like the turtle, you can do amazing things. Second, don't be arrogant and underestimate the others. Always be kind and remember, nobody is perfect. Just because you are good at something doesn't mean you are better than everyone else. Everyone has their special skills and talents. Remember, teamwork and kindness always win. So, my lovely friends, thank you for listening to my story. I hope you remember the brave turtle whenever you face something tricky. Have an awesome day. Bye!